Have you ever dreamt about how it's like to detect in a pristine environment on a very, very remote island?
Okay.
Here I am at Turtle Beach. Let's see if this beach has some treasure. Just the boats bring people in to swim and then brings people away. Maybe I can make some nice find. Let's see. I'm about to enter the water here and I can already see a shark. It's a black tip shark. We are facing the Gulf of Thailand, so the water should be extremely clean here and don't bring all the garbage that might come from the mainland, because the other beaches were facing west towards Malaysia, but this is facing east towards the open sea of the Gulf of Thailand, so hopefully there is no trash. But I already saw a shark, pretty cool. I think they just found a wreck. It's made of iron. I think it's buried under the sand just off the coast. But it really might be a wreck. Crazy. Brought here by a storm, and then it stayed here. Anyway, cool to find it. But since it's made of iron, I don't think that this would carry anything valuable to me like porcelain or gold coins. Anyway, I keep searching. Well, if you were guessing how it's like to metal detect a pristine beach in a very remote area on a remote island in Malaysia, yeah, that's what's like. There's nothing. Zero coins, very little garbage, and absolutely nothing else. Only beaches where turtles go to put their eggs. They nest over here. Now, probably that's not the season, but when it's the right season, they will nest on this beach. Well, as you have seen, there is not much, but what? It's a beautiful environment, who cares? It's just funny just to be in the water.